Ngoja ni kidogo. Itamshinda kweli? Sio winjo sauti bale mheshimiwa Mwalimu kidogo Gunya.
Kwa tufungie na maombi.
Idola chielo kamano. Ni watero daktari Benson Otieno Bule bunge. That warwako kendo manyien eka ngwecho chakre
150-50 wangimine prabichkone wangecho prabichkone wanapolo chunguza.
When the lecturers are on strike, you know there are no classes, and you know you miss even 1 week of classes. It affects the students' performance. We say the lecturers cannot be paid because there is no money to be paid, and yet there is money to be given out as empowerment. In fact, it was an irony that the teachers go to State House to be given handouts, and the classes are empty because the children are not there. There is no capitation. We want to condemn that. This is all corruption. This is corruption. Money has been taken from education to be given out as empowerment, which is actually bribery, and yet the lecturers are out of classes. Those are among the things we don't want, and those are the things we want to eliminate in the next government. There is voter registration that is going on. We continue to appeal to the young people to come out in large numbers and register, so that come 2027, everybody has a vote, everybody has an ID, so that we can all vote.